Hi, it's Kathy from Crafty Chica, and I crocheted my very first granny square blanket. I literally learned how to crochet a granny square 5 squares in. I knew I was going to do a blanket because I get hyper focused like that. But learning how to block my granny squares is what pulled it all together. I got this attachment online. I'll link it in the description. And this was the key to really pulling this project together. And it has these 4 metal sticks that you put into the little peg holes that fit the size of your granny squares. And I sprayed each granny square with water and I put them over the pole so they would stretch just a little bit, and I stacked them to leave a little bit of space in between each one so that air could flow through to help them dry properly. And to speed up the process, because I had almost 100 of these to block, I put a fan on and it was about a couple hours. And then look at how they turn out. They came out so perfectly square. This is what really helped all of them look uniform and professional. This blocking method hides a world of sins. Here is my finished blanket. I'm so proud of it. I'm ready to tackle another one. Just maybe I'll do it this summer. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, and don't forget to visit craftychica.com. I have a full tutorial on how I made this whole granny square blanket, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep crafting.